At Stanley Community College, the Collision Repair and Refinishing Technology program puts your passion for cars into motion. Here, you'll build a strong foundation in damage analysis, estimating, and both structural and non-structural repair on steel and aluminum. You'll work hands-on with plastics, fiberglass, carbon fiber, and advanced adhesives. Plus, master MIG and STRSW welding, plastic welding, and today's most modern paint and refinishing techniques using solvent-borne and waterborne systems. As you progress, you'll train to earn industry-recognized I-CAR certifications, including Pro Level 1 Non-Structural Technician and Pro Level 1 Refinish Technician, credentials employers are looking for. Graduates leave ready to step into the field as entry-level collision repair and refinishing technicians, equipped with real-world skills, performing precision welds, repairing vehicle frames with computerized measuring systems, and writing accurate repair estimates using CCC ONE Estimating Software. If you're ready to turn your talent into a career, start your journey at Stanley Community College. Your future in collision repair starts here. Visit stanley.edu to learn more.